Hello everyone, just walked into Dollar Tree and these little gift tags caught my attention. I don't think I saw the Nutcracker. Oh my goodness, look at this. These are new stockings. So pretty. They're thinner, but they look like they're knitted. So many new things. These are selling really well. There's the holographic and the metallic. This one here. It's really nice packaging. These are candles. I don't know if they have a nice throw. They smell nice. If anyone has any feedback. Yeah, they're pretty boxes. Has anyone been junk journaling or creating paper crafts? These little tags come in handy, and these ones are full of glitter. Very, very pretty. 52 stickers. The gift boxes, there's a variety of them out there. I have not seen this print anywhere else with the little woodland characters. There's also little bear, Santa, and there's a variety of sizes, so just be mindful of that. And these should be different prices. I don't agree that they're all the same price. This one is cute. I really like the ornament. I like the front, how it opens with a little flap. And big boxes as well. Some boxes, again, are a bit deeper than others, so if you are needing a smaller box or a bigger box, just pay attention when you're grabbing them. They have lots of Christmas ribbons still left. I'm actually surprised that there's so much left. Let me know how your stores are. Are they fully stocked still for Christmas, or is everything sold out? These are pretty too. They had silver ones, which would be great for transition into New Year's decor, picks and, your winter greenery or something like that. There's some red holographic tablecloths if you're having or hosting a Christmas theme. I believe that these are new. I've never seen a matted black bow, and the marble prints would be cute with a black. These are fabric, and we'd seen those last year as well. They had a variety of colors. Oh, some of the large bows are kicking around over here. So if they're not in the Christmas area, take a look in the party supplies aisle. I feel like these might belong in the Christmas aisle as well. The ribbon is fantastic. I'd say this is a pretty good value because there's a good mix here for Christmas and for birthdays. I keep looking at Dollar Tree for the pears. I really like their soap. I wonder about this soap. I wonder if it has a nice throw, if it suds well. They're just hand soaps. I feel like this is a brand from maybe the 90s that was really popular. It looks like it's just conditioner though. There's no shampoo that matches it. So either it's sold out and I missed it. And they have the spa soap, which is the dupe of, oh goodness, I forgot the name. Has anyone tried this cleansing water? And they have these nose strips. I should probably grab some for my son, maybe even put it in his stocking. He doesn't mind when I do a little nose strip on him. It's kind of cute. I wonder which one I should grab. There's Revlon here and some new hand lotions that some of you may be able to recommend. They have all the new small toiletries. Aussie is here. I don't think the value is worth it. You're better off to buy the little travel containers and just refill with whatever product you use if you are traveling. See, they have some bottles here, squishy ones. I just don't think that I would pay. Ice cold. Is this new here? Almost like a rub. A530. Love these. Are so cute. Little Sesame Street Band-Aids. And then there's the brand named, I think it's Cricut. These are some of my favorites for birthday cakes. They're just so fun. By the way, these are new, and they would make for, you know, when you stack the two together to make ornaments. Look, they have even the little plates that match. Is this a tiered? Where's the bottom piece? It's showing that it has a stand. I don't see it anywhere. These are very glam. They're great for New Year's or a glam party, a milestone birthday. Just an overlook here. There's lots of new banners, the balloon banners, and lots of novelty type plates and cups. They also have the foiled numbers in gold and silver here. So if you wanted to do 2026 for New Year's, you have balloons and the faux helium looking ones, some banners as well if you wanted to mix in there. Should probably look for a card. I almost forgot. I wanted to look for some of the Vim spray that I had bought here, all-purpose spray that was just wonderful. I can't find it anywhere. This is Dawn. Two different kinds here. Look at this. I believe this is the same bottle, Dawn Platinum. It looks the same to me, smaller quantities, so just be mindful. And here's another bottle of Dawn as well on the bottom, but this one is not the Platinum. So it's a bit bigger, but I don't think it's as thick. I'm not sure. I buy Dawn at Costco because I just think the value is better when it goes on sale, but this is a new product, Free and Clear. So there are some products here that look like their staple price now is $2, which was never the case. Comet is way less expensive elsewhere. I will not buy it here at Dollar Tree anymore. I used to buy it for $1.99, and I can still find it that. So and then there's Free and Clear, and I can buy the bigger. I don't know where this is made. I might give this a try, I'll see. But Comet, you can find the bigger can of powder for 99 cents at other stores. And then there's some, I guess all these other products are their base price, but this here, is this normally on the shelf? I'm just not sure. I feel like we see the orange bottle, the spray bottle, but not the actual big one, the refillable. Another Free and Clear. And then there's like floor cleaners and glass cleaners, I think, this area here. And then it works its way towards the laundry. Yeah. So anyways, oh, there's the Free and Clear sheets as well. Wow, I saw a store, like a specialty store, selling these for $10. They had it on a Christmas display. Anyone know anything about these cookies? Are they good? This is a huge price difference. And these are cute. They would look so pretty displayed just because of their festive shape. So some other treats here. I think I might head down the food or snack aisle. I just found this display, and they're all like a handmade type card. So I thought I would share with you because they're beautiful, but you can deconstruct them if you are into paper crafting or junk journaling or on any of those things, which I know some of you are. You'll take a look at these, like look at the shaker pocket, but you'll look at these and you'll say, well, how can I take them apart? Some of them are 3D and just beautiful. Look at this. So pretty. I just saw something really similar at Marshall's. This one might work with all my nutcracker. Maybe I should grab it. It would work with my nutcracker themed stuff that I bought on clearance last year. And I wanted to work on a pocket letter, and I pulled out all my stuff. These ones are a bit too big, but anyways, I just thought I'd share these with you. So I hope you're going to tell me I'm not alone, but I put a toothbrush and all like staple stuff, soaps and shaving cream and all the things in the stocking. I wrap every single little item individually for the kiddos. Do you? I'm wondering who wraps all the little pieces, and chapsticks and glosses. Those things all go into the stocking stuffer. This is a great one for winter here. And then they have the Shoopa Shoops, I think is what you say. They have a variety of them. They have the ball, like the bomb, and then they have the stick. Anyways, I always like looking through here. For my daughter, I like to put scrunchies or hair ties. And just because I'm over here, there's some sparkly things that caught my attention and I thought I would share them with you. They have really pretty clips. This one is supposed to be a bow, I think. I'm not really loving the detail, all the rippling effect on it, but there's so many different colors and varieties. They have headbands as well. Yeah, I think this one is newer. It would be pretty almost to, I'm not really sure what event, but maybe for Christmas. There's a Christmas concert or something. These are cute too to hang on the tips of your Christmas tree. And there are a variety of them out right now, but they seem to have sold pretty fast. This one's got all sorts of little glitter and sparkles in it. Very pretty. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
Now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine. But I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come.